Yeah, these wheels gonna look real nice on the car. I already know. Yo, what's up, gang? It's Adam back at it again. I got some new wheels for the Honda, and as you see, they still are in the box. I opened up one box because one of the wheels is already on the car, and I'm about to show you what I got. I'm gonna say right off the bat, these are reps, but let me just go ahead and jump into it because I mean these wheels actually do look good. I'm not lying to you. Hold on, but so right off the bat, I want to let you know these are Circuit Performance wheels, 15 by 8. That's the model. That's an offset, 25, centerboard, all the extra stuff that you don't really care about. But everybody knows this wheel. A lot of people get them with the silver lip, but this is what I did. Just wait on it. Almost there. Go ahead and get this off like that. Lip protector off. Damn, I don't need that. All right, you guys ready? Ooh, man, they packing this thing good. All right. No, not the paint. Goddamn. Okay, these are Circuit CP26s, gloss black. And actually, these look good. Let me go ahead and take them out the box for you. All right, cool. Camera good. Bam. Now I'm trying to tell you, these wheels look so much better in person. They do got some weight to them. It's not heavy, but it got some weight to it. Does it look nice? You like it? I'm trying to get every angle for you because this thing is pretty neat. Get the back for you. I don't know. A lot of people need this because they got some big brake upgrades and they brake caliper can't fit. But this is like it's like a steep lip, so about an inch, 2 inches. Wow, that much of a gap from where my thumb is. Pretty nice wheel. All right, now let's see it on the car. All right. Now, as you can see, I got this big old brake upgrade. They're not the regular ones that came with the car. Wheel 4 pistons. Oh, and damn, they on there. Yeah, that's wheel for you. And I don't think I need a center board cap. All right, let me get you a little closer look. Now, I don't know about you. This shit actually does good. I got the backs on too. Now, the car's not on the ground, but you can tell there's going to be a flush fitment. Got that much. You do got some room for caliper. I mean, they kind of like spoon wheels, but they not. I know. I already know. Tell me what y'all think. If you don't know, now you do know. I'll be giving away free stuff in this video. That stuff that was on the Honda. I'm not gonna sell it to you guys because why would y'all need to pay for it? It's used. All you gotta pay is for shipping, or come pick it up yourself if I don't want it no more. These are wheels that came with the car. I tried painting them, but this didn't work out. I just don't like them. That's what they look like. Wholesale. Nobody not want these wheels. So if any of you guys want them, you can pay shipping and have them for free, or you can come pick them up. Just hit me up on Instagram. Those wheels are yours. I will not be running them. 4x100, 185, 65, 14. Be careful with these wheels because I do not know how old they are. Do got some tread on them, some actually good tread. But I picked the car up. The car already had this on there. I only drove 100 miles on those wheels. Never used them since. First come, first serve. The only downfall I can say about these wheels is that if you look real close, it look like This shit ain't focusing. It looked like a hairline scratch on the wheel, and it looked like somebody hit it with a Sharpie right there. But this is the only wheel so far that I've seen defects on. But for the price, I feel like, but for the price, I can't even complain. Just look at it. Yeah. All right. So when it comes to these wheels, I paid $495 for them. I got them on eBay for actually a great deal. Shipping was $20, so it came out to what, 525, $515. It's not that bad. Now I could have got the spoon wheels. But I didn't get the spoon wheels because I feel like everybody always run those. I could have got some TEs, but I didn't. I was gonna get the fake ones, obviously, because this car is supposed to be on a budget. It's not. I don't care what anybody say. Red wheels actually do look good. It's just to get the car rolling. No, I'm not about to go run into some fucking potholes. No, I'm about to take. No, I'm not taking the car to the track. I might take it to the drag strip, but this is really just to get the car rolling. Now I do got some stocks. The reason why I'm not running those is because I got the big brakes up front. It's not gonna fit, and they just look funny on the car. But for the quality, for the price, quality, and it's shipped here in like 2 days. I ain't gonna lie to you. These wheels are actually, I feel like they're worth it. I will be running 205, 50, 15s on these wheels, but I do not have the tires yet, so I'm not gonna be doing a roller video today. That's gonna be for a whole nother video. You may see all this stuff on the grounds because I have to do maintenance on this car before I get it started, because I do want to start this car eventually to see if it runs good. And two, I need to make sure it's good for the road before I put the tires on it, because I know I'm going to test drive it. So I don't want this locking up on me. Yes, I know it's a D15 B7 and nobody like them, but guess what? I love it because I cannot afford the K24 right now. Why? It's because that money pit right there. We're going to jump into that car one day. Probably not today, but I will post a video on this car. It is fun as hell. I promise you. All right, I really ain't got nothing else to show you guys. But if you like this video, please leave a comment. Tell me what you liked about it. Subscribe. Turn your dreams into memories, not wishes. Because every day, every video, I promise you, all my wishes are turning into memories. All right, see y'all next video.